the journey of the 2019 Cayman GTS behind me. So I figured with the warranties running out on a lot of 718s out there and people interested in modifying their Caymans, I figured this would be a great video series to chronicle in stages my suspension updates and to catch you up on what I've done to the car so far. My very first purchase was a Soul 200 cat downpipe. I've never dynoed the car, and I can't tell you what horsepower increase and or torque that it gave me, but I will tell you the sound is fantastic. I have no check lights to speak of at all. It was literally a plug and play. I did it myself. The connections were a little bit of a struggle at first, but once I got everything snugged up to where I can move it, it was not too difficult to complete. I will have the car lifted here in a few minutes and I'll show you a couple of tight tolerances after I get a couple of the body panels removed. So I noticed when I was driving with and or tracking with the 20-inch wheels, the car felt fairly floaty at speed. So my goal has been to combat that, and the first thing I did was to buy a DSC V3 controller. The V3 controller did a good job of taming down that floatiness, but it still has not been enough. And I noticed a marked difference when I put my 18-inch track wheels on versus the 20-inch wheels. So the 18-inch wheels makes the car feel so much more planted, and obviously it's lower. So I'm certain that aids in it as well. So to help with the lack of performance, as you would not think of the turbocharge, I did the APR stage 1 tune. And there are plenty of videos out there to show you the increase in horsepower and the increase in torque. I am very satisfied. I'm running still the factory original clutch with no issues. I was warned to go ahead and replace the spark plugs at a higher interval, so I've been replacing them between 20 and 25,000 miles. I picked up the car with 6,000 miles on it and now have over 55,000 miles on the car. I've driven it all over, I wouldn't say all over the Southeast, but I've driven it to several tracks, tracked it and driven it home, which would account for that mileage, and have had no problems whatsoever with the car.